Welcome to our presentation on monitoring construction progress by integrating 4D BIM and business intelligence data analytics. Following are the members of our project group alongside our supervisor from Department of Civil Engineering. Today we're diving into how we can enhance construction progress tracking through advanced modeling, scheduling, simulation, and analytics. The construction industry faces significant challenges, including inefficient scheduling, limited time-based visualization, and weak communication among stakeholders. These issues can lead to cost overruns, delays, and poor decision-making. Our solution is to leverage cutting-edge digital tools to create an integrated construction monitoring system that addresses these challenges head-on. Let's start with our objectives. We aim to create architectural and structural 3D models using Autodesk Revit, develop a resource-loaded schedule in Primavera P6, integrate both into Synchro 4D for a time-based simulation, and build interactive dashboards in Power BI for real-time analytics. Each of these components works together to provide a unified view of construction planning and performance. We utilized 4 core tools in our project. First, Autodesk Revit for 3D modeling. This tool allowed us to create detailed digital representations of architectural elements like walls, floors, and roofs, as well as structural components such as columns and beams. The model is more than just a drawing. It includes parametric data and object metadata, serving as the foundation for our scheduling and simulation efforts. Next, we moved on to Primavera P6 for scheduling. This tool helped us develop a detailed, resource-loaded timeline that includes over 100 construction tasks, their durations, relationships, and resource assignments. It outlines the project's critical path, providing a logical framework for time management. By incorporating real-world labor and equipment data, we ensured that this schedule could effectively serve both planning and performance tracking purposes. Now, let's talk about Synchro 4D. This tool allowed us to connect our Revit model with the Primavera P6 schedule, resulting in a dynamic 4D simulation. Imagine watching the project being built phase by phase. This visualization helps us detect clashes, identify parallel activities, and verify construction logic. It's a powerful communication tool that enables stakeholders to understand progress clearly and in real time. Finally, we have our Power BI dashboards. These dashboards display key metrics such as planned versus actual progress, resource usage, delay reports, and critical task tracking. With interactive visuals like bar charts and Gantt views, project managers can quickly analyze performance and make timely decisions. The data is sourced directly from Primavera and field inputs, ensuring live updates and closing the feedback loop between planning, execution, and monitoring. Our project also aligns with several UN Sustainable Development Goals. By focusing on decent work and economic growth, industry innovation, sustainable cities, responsible consumption, and partnerships for the goals, we contribute to a more sustainable future through smart construction planning. In summary, we've demonstrated how we used 4D BIM and BI tools to monitor construction progress with enhanced clarity, precision, and real-time feedback. Our integrated workflow, combining Revit, Primavera P6, Synchro 4D, and Power BI, shows how technology can revolutionize construction management. With better visualization, smarter scheduling, and data-backed analytics, we are paving the way for efficient, transparent, and sustainable project delivery. Building the future, one data-driven moment at a time. Thank you for your attention.